In this video, we're going to be talking about the OLOV brand of men's grooming kit here. This is great for cutting hair, trimming beards, or doing manscaping here. The first thing I want to show you is just the trimmer itself. Really high quality, feels good, feels really solid. So let's turn it on for you so you can see some of my favorite features. There are 2 speeds, so you'll probably hear the difference here. And then I press it again, and now it got faster there. So you have 2 different speeds that you can cycle through by just pressing this button, and you can see the battery life is indicated with a digital display there, which is super handy versus just having little dots or having nothing at all. You always know exactly how much battery life you have there. When you want to turn it off, you just press and hold there. And that's all great. It's a really high quality product, but that's not the reason I bought it. The reason I bought it is for all the stuff you see here, the 20 different attachments. There's so many different length guards here to choose from. No matter what you are trimming, no matter how long you like your hair to be, you like your beard to be, there is going to be a guard for you. There's even specific guards for going around your left ear and your right ear. A couple other things I do want to point out here as well. I really love this attachment here, and this attachment is for body hair. It's really helpful for getting around your back and in hard to reach places. That is super helpful. I really like that. Another one I really like is this one, which is for nose and ear hair. That is really handy as well. So you have a lot of different things. No matter how you're using this, there are going to be attachments for you. You don't have to worry about, oh, well, what if this one's too long and this one's too short? There's so many that no matter what you are doing, there's so many options, and you don't have to choose between one length that's too short and one length that's too long. I've tried a bunch of different brands of grooming kits, of hair trimmers here. This one by far is my favorite from OLOV. So if you are looking for a grooming kit here, this is definitely the one I would recommend to you.